Ever wondered how you can make money while you sleep? Well, you're not alone. In 2025, the world of passive income is more exciting and lucrative than ever before. But what are the best strategies to get started? Stay tuned as we explore the top 5 passive income ideas that really work this year. Hey everyone, welcome back to Zero to Rich, where we help you grow your wealth one step at a time. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our tips for financial freedom. Today, we're diving into the world of passive income, and I'll share 5 top ideas that could help you make money effortlessly in 2025. 101, Dividend Investing, the power of stocks. Let's kick things off with dividend investing. If you're looking for a relatively low-maintenance income stream, dividend-paying stocks are a solid choice. Many large companies like Coca-Cola, AT&T, and Johnson & Johnson pay regular dividends to their shareholders. In 2025, these dividends can provide a steady stream of cash, reinvested into your portfolio, or taken as income. Plus, if you choose the right stocks, you can expect a dividend yield of 4 to 6% annually. This means you could be making money while you're out on vacation or working on other projects. Now that's the dream. 2, affiliate marketing, earning through referrals. Next up is affiliate marketing. If you already have a blog, a YouTube channel, or even an Instagram account, affiliate marketing could be the perfect way to generate passive income. With affiliate marketing, you promote products from companies like Amazon, eBay, or Shopify and earn a commission whenever someone buys through your referral link. It's a great way to earn money without creating your own product. Just imagine sharing your favorite gadgets or books online and getting paid every time someone clicks on your link. The key here is consistency and choosing the right products to recommend to your audience. 3, real estate crowdfunding, property investment for everyone. Third on the list, real estate crowdfunding. You no longer need to buy a whole property to start earning from real estate. Thanks to platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul, you can invest in real estate projects with as little as $500. With these platforms, you pool your money with other investors and earn a share of the rental income and potential appreciation. The best part? It's all done online so you can be passive while your investment works for you. In 2025, this method is gaining traction because it offers diversification in your portfolio and solid returns. Plus, you don't have to deal with tenants or property management. Just sit back and watch your wealth grow. 4, creating an online course. Share your knowledge. Have a skill or expertise. Turn it into an online course. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare allow you to create and sell courses on almost any topic, from cooking to coding. And the best part? Once your course is created, you can earn passive income as people sign up to learn. 2025 is the perfect year to capitalize on the booming e-learning industry. If you have knowledge to share, there's a whole market waiting to learn from you. Whether it's a niche subject or broad skills, the possibilities are endless. 5, peer-to-peer lending. Become your own bank. Last but definitely not least is peer-to-peer lending. With platforms like Lending Club and Prosper, you can lend money to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest payments. You choose how much to lend and at what interest rate. Over time, as borrowers repay their loans, you collect interest, which can add up to significant earnings. This is a great way to generate passive income while helping people access the funds they need. There you have it, 5 passive income ideas that are not only practical, but also profitable in 2025. Whether you're looking to invest in stocks, create an online course, or lend money to others, there are plenty of opportunities to build a passive income stream. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more wealth building tips. Don't forget to drop a comment below and let me know which passive income idea you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.